Hello everyone, welcome back to Orbital Music. So now in this video we will be studying chapter 2, class 7 geography, and we will be seeing the first part, and in the next video we will be completing the whole chapter. So let's start. So first I will be telling the introduction, and then we will be learning it detail wise. Okay, so let's start. The earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Means like onion is made up of many layers in it. So like that, similarly like that, in our earth, inside our earth also, there are several layers with one inside another. Okay? So the uppermost layer of the earth's surface is crust. So there are three layers of earth. There are three layers of earth surface. First is the crust. After the crust, mantle, and then the innermost layer of the earth is core. Okay. So there are three layers of the earth surface: crust, mantle, and core. So we will be learning it detail wise. So let's start. So first we will be learning about crust. So crust is the thinnest layer of all layers. Means it is the very much thinnest layer of all the layers of the earth's surface. Okay. So it is about 35 kilometers on the continental mass and only 5 kilometers on the ocean floor. It means that it is only 35 kilometers on the continental mass, means the land. Okay, and 5 kilometers on the ocean floors, on the ocean. Okay, so the main constituents of the continental mass are silica and aluminium. Okay, so what are main constituents of the continental mass are silica and aluminium. Okay, there are two main constituents of continental mass. First is silica and then aluminium. Okay, so second is mantle. So mantle extends up to the depth of 2,900 kilometers below the crust. So it is having very much depth. Okay, it extends up to the depth of 2,900 kilometers below the crust. It is the second layer. The crust forms only 1% of the volume of the earth. So crust form only 1% volume of the earth, and mantle forms 15% of the core. Okay. So next, core. The innermost layer is the core. The last layer and the innermost layer of the earth's surface is the core. It has the radius about 3,500 kilometers. It is more than mantle. Okay, mantle was 2,900 kilometers. It extends up to the depth of 3,500 kilometers. Okay, so now it is made up of nickel and iron, called knife. So now you will be thinking how it is called knife. Okay, so knife means Ni for nickel and Fe for ferrous, means iron. Okay, so it will be called knife. Ni for nickel and Fe for iron. Okay, so it has very high temperature and pressure. So the core has the most highest temperature and pressure in it. Okay, so I think you have understood these all three topics. Now let's come to the next basic rocks, that are sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, and igneous rocks. So I will be telling the detail about all these three rocks in the part 2 of geography chapter 3, that is inside our chapter 2, inside our earth. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel.